And here's the latest deal on the won't be as good as what it would be without. So,
But I can always cover you while you're chewing.
well, bang, 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 bang. Keep down. Baddies are everywhere. I'll keep you covered.
Oh, Evan's family's birthday's on Monday.
Woohoo!
Jenny said, I wanted Jamie to have a proper birthday unboxing.
That's how unboxings should be.
That is how they should be.
Every unboxing from this point forward should come with a pizza.
Oh my God. That would be so bad. Okay.
My personal trainer and nutritionist, though, will fire me.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, but that's it.
That is true. Okay, we have this box to unbox. It's big. There might be two of them in there. It says prize wheel on it. I have no idea what this is.
That will be me, Tony, after I eat.
So you guys will have another chance to get another entry into the prize draw before we spin that wheel. So let's find out what's in this box. And you guys can start guessing now. First person to guess it will get an extra prize draw. Oh, I'm throwing stuff.
And right now, on the carousel is the best apple spiral peeler and slicer. It looks pretty fancy. Let me go back to...
And it's 50% off.
Eligible for another 50% off. Here we go. So you're looking at $8.50. Wow, that's a pretty cool little design.
Okay, so there are two of them in this box. Oh, man. I'm going to show you the end of the box. So that's what it looks like at the end of the box.
This pillow would be just fun to play with.
I know, that look cool. That look cool?
It's like you're doing, like, instead of having your little tip truck out in the yard, pulling in rocks and whatnot as a kid, come play with the apple peeler.
Doris is asking if we have a P.O. box that you can send birthday cards to. Doris, there's a return address on the boxes. You can send it to that. That's our office. You can send it to our office.
So who guessed bubble wrap?
Okay, I'm going to go back because there's a lot. Okay, shelves, headphones, headlights, battery. It's a box in a box. Lamp, shelves, shoes, shelf, food, flashlight, flower pots, money, shoes. I wish it was money. Picture frames, boots, slippers, cooking pan, pot, crayons, flask, bathroom
Aaron's
set,
here.
blanket.
Hello, Aaron.
Welcome, Aaron. Bluetooth.
He says he's got an apple tree.
Set of drinking glasses, lamp, solar panels, kitchen plates, baby book set, garden lights, kitchen stuff. Apple peelers are a big help when making pies. Yes, they are. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, Early Evans fan from Margaret. Shoes.
Okay, I'm going to give you a couple of you kind of got some nice air. PC Phil, roll back up and have a look at what PC Phil said. PC Phil is in the right area.
Garden lights. Oh, interesting. Okay. You are in the right area, PC Phil.
Kitchen utensils.
Bidet, a bidet.
I liked a bidet by night.
TP.
Bidet by night.
Storage container. It is electronic.
Fence lights, sheets.
It is electronic. That's what it looks. That's the size of the box.
We're looking for these specific. Oh wow. Okay. I slightly was well, that's interesting.
It's very interesting.
Yeah, I like it. It was slightly different than what I thought. You are in the right area. It is an outside item.
Wow.
Rechargeable garden lights, garden gnome. Oh, wouldn't it be great if there was a solar-powered garden gnome? That'd be awesome.
I think there is. I'm pretty sure there is.
Exfoliation set, heated mat.
Okay, guys, I have not seen this and did not even know that this thing existed.
I would not have thought about this, but I think it's a good light.
I love it. I plan on putting one of these in front of our house.
Yep, and you have deck lights, solar lights. Okay. So,
it is solar.
It is solar. That's the first word. There's next two words start with the same letter as the first word. There's a hint.
Starts with an S. It's 3 words.
She just gave it directly. S.
3 words. Solar something.
A solar something. A spotlight.
Spotlight, close. Driveway alarm, close.
Ooh,
Miguel Rodriguez.
Hey, Miguel, welcome along.
We're adding you to the prize wheel, Miguel. Thank you for the follow. Solar spotlight, solar stair blocks, address lights, LED lights for outside, solar motion light. It starts with an S. 3 words that start with an S. Solar something. Solar lights. You guys are close. Solar house sign. Okay, Coral Rose, that is close.
That's the closest so
Sign,
far.
you got solar and sign. Those 2 words are correct.
Solar something sign.
Something sign. Solar something sign. You got a middle word there. Got a middle word there. Solar something sign. Solar street light, close.
No.
Street sign, close.
Solar singing sausage. I like it.
I like it. I wish there was one of those.
Solar
street sign. You guys are very close.
Solar something sign. And let's just say that it would make you feel safe.
Yes. It would make you feel safe.
Safer.
What? Solar address sign, solar string lights. You guys are close.
Solar
security sign.
There we go. GMG.
GMG. Solar security sign. That's it. That's what it is. And this is, it's pretty cool. It's got a warning light. It shows it lights up at night, and it says surveillance, no trespassing. So it's a sign with a camera on it that shows with security, and it's from this company, BNI. So the first person that can, GMG, you got an extra draw on the prize.
Yep.
Will, and the first person that finds this and links it in the
first
chat.
First two people. We're going to give it to the first 2 people who find this on Amazon, this brand, this exact one, and drop the link in the chat.
I said BNI, it's BNT.
BNT.
Dynamite.
BNT. A light that shines.
I was going to say, bright, make that bright. Like that.
Whoa,
light.
here we go. We got a couple of people.
Yes, we got Margaret and JC Mom of 3 and PC Phil. Okay, so PC Phil.
PC Phil's number 1.
And Margaret's number 2. Congratulations. Good job, you guys.
And Margaret.
You know what? JC Mom of 3 came in real close there. I don't know how fast it came in. Let's just give it to her too. JC Mom of 3. Awesome, guys. Well done, man.
JC Mom of 3. All right.
Aaron, thank you. Awesome. That's it. Awesome. We got some great links in the chat there. I love that. That's fantastic. Josevi, feel free to link your book if you want while we're doing it. Did you see mine, Amy? I did, GMG. We got you in there. Oh, wait. Yeah, GMG was actually first.
Oh, wow.
Yep. We missed that. Sorry, we'll put you in too. Everybody gets it. That's okay.
You get an entry, and you get an entry, and you look under your chair. You'll find a packet. Pull it out. Open it up. That's your prize.
I love that.
All right. So let's spin this wheel. Let's see who wins.
Okay, yeah, let's spin the wheel. Heck.
Bounce, 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 bounce.
By the way, I have a promo code up on those fashion boots.
Whoop, whoop. Eat your pizza now. Whoop, 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 whoop.